I seek protection in Allah from the cross Shaitan. Glory be to Allah and praises to Allah, and there is no worthy of worship but Allah, and Allah is the greatest, and there is no might or power except the Allah, the exalted, the great one. Indeed, Allah and His angels send blessing upon the conveyor of the unseen news, i.e. Prophet Muhammad. O believer, you too send blessing and abundant salutation upon him. Allah named two commands with the most gracious, the most merciful.